Guys, today we talk about how can you disable alerts your device notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in the first to just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So you click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on manage notifications. Then you come to this list here. Just go down here until here you will find awards you receive here or awards you receive. Just click on it. You click here on disable notifications here. So then it's going to disable with you here awards you'll receive notifications on your Reddit app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.